the penalty algorithms. There is the next aspect, penalty factors, the things you should not be doing. The first thing it says about is the Panda update. So Panda is a penalty update. What it does is, if your website has copied content, if you have copied from the internet, if you copy from some other website and add them in your website, then you hit by this update called as Panda update. Now all the penalty factors leads to one thing, guys, you won't rank. That's all. Okay, penalty means nothing too serious. The worst thing that can happen is your website doesn't show on Google itself. Okay, that's the worst thing can happen. Still you can work on social, you can run PPC, you can build your email list, all of those things you can do, but still it's good to be ranking. For that reason, if you really want to rank, don't do any of the things I'm going to tell you now. First one is copying content. Panda update focuses mainly on copied content, duplicate content, or if you're using spin content spinners, if you're using, all those things come under Panda update.
What is content spinners?
Content spinning is like, there are tools, just search for free content spinners. Free content spinners. What it does is, you copy paste a piece of article in that. There are so many, freearticlespinner.com. You copy paste a piece of article there. Say I've copied this one. Okay. What it does is, you paste it here. Okay. I click on I'm not a robot. Okay. Article Forge is a good tool. We use it for PBNs actually. We don't use private blog networks. I tell you in Black Hat SEO. Okay. So I'll click on spin content. Now what it does is, it finds all the suitable synonyms for these words and try to show them. Okay. Now I don't think it has spun anything actually. Let me just check again. I think it has done, but can you see the company effortlessly delivers? Can you see? And install the product they offer. The organization easily conveys and introduces each item they offer. Kind of like what it does is, it finds every word synonyms and replaces that words. Okay. So I don't recommend.
But I should not be using this.
Google is way too smart. There's no point of doing this stuff. If you don't have time, hire a good content writer. He will write it for you. Okay. I will never recommend this. Okay. Not even for your PBNs, I will recommend private blog networks. Okay. That is a Black Hat SEO technique. I'll be telling you in the future. Okay. So that is also not recommended. What happens is, digital marketing will be shown as computer advertising. Okay. Now, if you copy digital marketing article, I've seen once, I've checked it once, and I've seen Great Britain becomes Good Britain. Okay. So please don't use them. So first thing is, please guys, Panda update. You don't have to know any of these things, but if you know things not to do, but I'll teach you how to do it then next. Okay. So first thing, please don't do anything related to content. Mainly it's just to content only. Okay. Like copying, duplicate, or penalty, or spam content. So second one is Penguin update. This is a more serious update than Panda. This algorithm looks at backlinks. Kind of what? First one is, if you have unnatural links. Say for example, what can be an unnatural link? Now I told you the core aspect of your SEO is backlinks. Now say for example, there is a website here. Say there is a website XYZ and there's a website ABC, and ABC website is giving like 3000 backlinks. 3000 links. This website hardly has 3005 backlinks. Okay. Just an example. And 3000 backlinks are given by one website. Does it look natural? It doesn't look natural. Why would a website ABC is giving that many backlinks to XYZ website? Again, there are so many different terms in backlinks. There's something called as follow and no follow backlinks. But still, a website giving too many backlinks, the two follow backlinks, you will get under Google's radar under unnatural links. Say for example, you are buying links. Guys, if you buy links, Google will really not like you actually. Okay, but they will not come to know if you do in a right way, because I have done it like a million times now for my client's website. But still, don't go to public websites like Fiverr and buy backlinks from them. You are like going to hurt your website rankings than improve them. Okay, don't buy bulk backlinks. Getting quality backlinks is more important than getting more quantity backlinks. That may be fine in 10 years back. Okay, now it's all about quality. If you build 10 backlinks of quality, is more than sufficient than building thousands of low quality backlinks.
Suppose I want to build backlinks. I mean, is there anything, any other websites that help me get good backlinks and quality?
I will be teaching you techniques on how to build it for free.
Okay, fine.
But again, in backlinks also, content plays a huge role. If I want to say in one term, in SEO, content is king. I don't say digital marketing content is king. I say in SEO, content is king. because if you want to do blogger outreach like guest blogging, all those things, again you have to write content in other people's website to build backlinks. Of course I'll be teaching you step-by-step guide on that.
Sure.
Okay, so here in backlinks, here now if you see unnatural backlinks, buying backlinks, if you are publicly saying you will be selling backlinks for money, if Google comes to know about it, so you get hit by this update. So be very careful, it's mainly related to backlinks. Okay, now be very careful, don't build any unnatural links or buying links, selling links is not recommended. So next one is mobile friendly. You don't have to, you can skip that step very easily because this is not for any WordPress website. If your website is not loading properly on mobile device, that is it by mobile friendly update. It's a very old update. They are given a recent update was 2017, I think. So if make sure your website is loading perfectly fine on mobile device, and also mobile, they give one more update called as mobile speed update, which means your website should load quickly on mobile device also. Okay, and the next one is Chrome security warning. You already know this, guys. If you have website, any website that has HTTP, not HTTPS, which doesn't have an SSL, secure sockets layer, we get hit by Google security warning. Okay, usually you find website unsecure is on the top of the in the address bar.
Yeah,
okay,
correct.
so make sure you have websites have SSL in them. Next one is Fred update. Fred update is mainly for websites having too many affiliate links with less content. If you have less content and the goal of your website is to only monetize than adding value, they won't rank you. Okay, whatever you build is up to you. Whatever is Google terms is up to them. So if you match the terms, they'll help you to rank. Okay, so if your website is built only for putting affiliate links and spammy ads, okay, so you won't want to add any value to your visitor, you hit by Fred update. And the last one is intrusive interstitial penalty. This is an update that happens if you have too many pop-ups in it. Whatever you built a pop-up, that is fine. But if you see having too many aggressive pop-ups on mobile, mainly mobile device, okay, you hit by this update. So don't have too many pop-ups. Now to give an example, now I did this information, I didn't get by myself, I got it from Moz. Just go to Moz, just search for Moz Google updates. Okay, it's already suggesting that. This is the first link that you see. From here, from 2020 Jan, the latest update what they have found to beginning of Google to, so I think 1998, but they started to track it from the year 2000. All the updates has been recorded. All the updates what I was telling was updated. Can you see BERT update? This is more of a language processing. It's a natural language processing algorithm, NLP. Okay, so there are so many unnamed updates, which means even they don't know what is that update about. Maverick update. Now if you're going for Google interviews, they may ask you to know few of the updates only for information purpose, and knowing this also makes no impact. See, the 2018 they gave us something called as a medic update. All medical websites got penalized because now people go to Google than go to a doctor, right? So they got penalized. Any website that is not right, they got penalized because they built an algorithm. Chrome security warning errors, unnamed mobile speed update. Now we can see mobile first index. This is a very good update actually. Now what Google bot used to do, they used to crawl how your website is optimized for desktop. Now Google is not doing that. Google bots are first checking how your website is optimized for mobile. Okay, so that's a good update. Zero results, there are tons of them. Snippet length, Chrome security warning, Google jobs, Fred update. Can you see Fred update? You find so many. Interstitial penalty update, which means too many pop-ups. Okay, Penguin, I told you, no, Penguin update.
Yes.
Like this you can keep on going back, guys. Mobile friendly update 2016. I can take that back. Rank Brain, that powers, that's an AI, that's a machine learning algorithm. Okay, so you can just go through them, you can find all the information. Can you see Pigeon, Penguin, all of the pirates, so many information you can find. So you can just explore all this information. Now the goal again, guys, knowing this information will not have that much impact, but it's good to know to a certain extent. Okay, so